case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2004, the Kansas Supreme Court heard the case of Brewer v. Schalansky concerning Regina Brewer's struggle for Medicaid eligibility. Denied benefits due to regulations within the Department of Social and Rehabilitation Services, SRS, she argued that her $33,000 stock, held in joint tenancy with her nieces, was an inaccessible resource. This case was anything but simple, revolving around arcane concepts of resources and eligibility in the realm of Medicaid. This led to a tense and contentious lawsuit, hinging on Brewer's assertion that her own stocks were not rightfully deemed as an available resource, hence should not have led to her benefits denial. The district court initially sided with Brewer, overturning SRS's decision. However, the tables turned when SRS contested this decision and pushed the case up to the Kansas Supreme Court. The stakes were high, the pivotal question being whether SRS was right in considering Brewer's stocks in her Medicaid eligibility. In a twist, the Supreme Court sided with SRS, ruling that the stocks were indeed a resource for Brewer. They did not agree with Brewer's standpoint that the stocks were out of her reach and asserted a critical point. The timing of when the partial transfer of stocks occurred was irrelevant. In a sweeping decision, the Supreme Court overruled the lower court and reaffirmed the denial of Brewer's benefits. They upheld KR 36106 CL, establishing a key precedent in Medicaid eligibility cases. Brewer's joint stock ownership was indeed deemed as an accessible rather than unavailable resource. The ruling offered a sharper clarification of the standards for Medicaid eligibility as it related to resources and underlined the complexities navigating the Medicaid labyrinth.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.